Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, I was actually inspired by my pastel pink shirt. So I wanted to create a soft pastel, like baby pink watercolor type of eye and just like super luminous skin. Something that is just perfect for spring and summer. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and let's jump into my brows are already on and my lids are primed. So I'm just going to quickly set all over my eyelids. To do that, I'll be using my Essence Banana Brightening Powder. I love this powder. I recently picked up another one and it's just so good. I love it for right after I bake too. I'll just take a fluffy brush and run this right underneath of my eyes, and it just brightens up and wakens up your under eye. So nice. It's so finely milled. And then next, since I want a super luminous base, I'm going to take the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. And this is just going to give an all over shine. This stuff smells kind of weird, but it's so pretty on the skin. Now taking this pink color in my MAC Correcting Palette, I'm going to use that to brighten up my under eyes because I have some bags. And then I'm also going to take this darker color here and just put a little bit of that on my nose because I got a little pimple. I'm just gonna press that in with my finger. Now taking this mauve color in my BH Novel Neutrals palette, and I'm just picking that up with a JH32 brush, kind of inspired by my whole shirt vibe that I have going on. So I want to keep the eyes soft and then the skin super luminous. Now with my MAC 242, I'm just going to dip into this really soft pink color, put this all over my lid. And go back over with my blending brush. Now taking this gorgeous mauve color with a flat definer brush, I'm going to use this to create a soft wing on my eye. Now going into my Carli Byble palette, I'm going to take this light highlight color here and use that to highlight underneath of my underneath of my eyebrow and my inner tear duct. I seriously haven't grabbed to this palette in so long. And I'm just going to kind of bring it up just to carve out my crease a little bit. I haven't used this in so long, but it is a really good foundation. It leaves your skin looking really nice. Hey guys, so this is where I randomly decided to go mute in the video. So I went ahead and used my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium sand to highlight under my eyes, down the center of my nose, chin, sides of my mouth, under my nose, and a tiny bit on my forehead. And then I took the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer in Deep Caramel to contour. And I buffed out my contour while the concealer set, and to do that I used my It Cosmetics foundation brush. And then right now is when I start realizing what the hell is stop talking to you guys. I completely forgot to explain what I'm doing. So I just went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium sand, and again I always like angling the contour up at my brows, and it just helps to further like lift my face. And I'm just pressing it in on my cheekbones, whatever's left on my ear, and then also whatever left on here. And then I'm going to blend out my concealer with my Blend My Face microfiber sponge. I love this for blending out concealer and even foundation. And I also like to pat it underneath of where I contoured and where my foundation is, just to pick up any excess product. Why do you have to open my door like that? My dog always comes in my room when I'm filming, right? But he'll like come in, obviously he can't close my door, and my air vent is right there, so it makes such loud noise in the background. So I'll close my door while he's in here so that you can't hear that noise, and then he starts crying to leave. So then I let him out, I close my door again, and then he cries to come back in. Machoka, make up your mind. He only wants to be around me when I'm filming. Never any other time. He never pays me any mind, but only when I'm filming. And now just setting my face with this powder that I have been loving at the moment. It's the J-Cat Aqua Assurance Compact Foundation in medium beige. I love this powder because it sets your face, but then it keeps a glow to the skin. It doesn't completely like matte it down. And I don't know what has come over me, but lately I've been loving this. Like I used to hate that. I used to think I look like a grease ball, but lately I've been loving super dewy skin. I think it's because my skin isn't as oily as it used to be, so I like how now I can control wherever I get more of that shine, whereas before if I put luminous stuff, it would just like blur and go everywhere and I just look like a greasy mess. It may look like this just took away all the shine, but it comes back once I put on my setting spray and all of that. Now taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in translucent. Finally got my hands on it. I had it available on Target.com, so I placed an order and I'm so happy. I had the banana color, but that one was just too yellow. This one is perfect. Love the coverage it gives. It's just such a good powder. Going to bronze using my Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer in Tantric. I'm gonna take that with this Morphe M527 and just graze this. We're just going to press the under eye break, or we're just going to press the under eye bake into the skin. Now taking this beautiful pink shade in the palette. I forgot that this palette came with such pretty blushes. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks. Wipe away this underneath bake. I'm just gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus to bring some of that hydration back to the skin. Now taking this same color that we use in our crease, I'm gonna buff that out on my lower lash line. Taking the same color that we use as our wing liner, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Now taking the same light color that we use on our brow bone, I'm going to highlight down the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow with that. And then I'm going to buff it out with the sponge. And then now taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to dip into that light color and the pinky color and put that on my cheeks. And I'm just gonna line my lips using MAC Whirl lip pencil. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild lip color in the shade Bare It All. It's such a pretty neutral color. And then I'll be applying the ColourPop iiLuvsaraii lip gloss in the shade Curvy. So I'm going to take this white eye pencil by Morphe in the shade Coconut and put that in my waterline. Then to prep my lashes for falsies, I'll be using the L'Oreal Bambi Lash in dark brown. And I love the dark brown, especially for the lower lash line, because it just, I don't know, it just makes the eyes look so pretty and it's like not too harsh. And now I'm just going to be applying my favorite Amazon false lashes. And then now to just further conceal the base, I'm just going to take this really dark eggplant purple eyeliner and I'm going to focus it like right on top of my lash to hide it. I'm just going to pick up some of that liner with this flat shader brush, the same one we used to line with the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to extend it right on the end, slightly feather it into the eyeshadow liner. That makes sense. So I'm just coming like this and just very softly extending and just sharpening the edge of the eyeshadow. And then last, just because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm going to take this MAC Dazzle shadow in Love Yourself. It's just like a gorgeous rosy pink color. This is literally one of my favorite shadows. And I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and then with a brush, I'm just going to lightly tap it onto my lid. And then whenever I have my skin super luminous, I like to take my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. This is more of a mattifying one, so it just helps my luminosity balance out by just helping it stay on longer. So, whoops, like stuff. Alright you guys, and here you have it. This is the completed pastel pink luminous makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. If you did like it and you want to see more videos like it, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys so much. I hope that you all stay safe and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!